In this tutorial, I am going to show you how we can clone a complete website using AI completely for free. So the website we're going to clone is this website. You can see headline.com. So this is quite popular website. So first of all, what we are going to do is that we're going to copy the front-end design using AI. Then we're going to create backend using Django. So you need to have few things installed before you want to clone this website completely for free using AI. So the first thing you should install is called Visual Studio Code. So just open a tab or just go to any browser, then search for Visual Studio Code, press enter, and here you can see code.visualstudio.com. Click here, and from here you can easily download and install Visual Studio Code. After that, you need to have Python installed in your system. Just go to any browser, search for python.org, press enter. So it will take you to this page, and here you can see download option. So just hover on download, and here you can see the Python version. So you just need to click on it and it will download the exe file, and you just need to install that file and Python will be installed. So once Visual Studio Code and Python is installed, it means you are ready to clone any website. So right now what we are going to do is that we'll open our Visual Studio Code, and over here we need to open a folder, a empty folder. Right now I'm going to click file, then click here open folder, and let's just first create a folder over here. Let's say the folder name will be clone Django. You can name the folder anything you want. Just select this empty folder, then click here select folder. So this folder will be open inside Visual Studio Code. After that, we need a free AI that can help us to build our project. So for it, what we are going to do is that here you can see extensions option. You need to click on this, and here in this search option, I am going to search for kilocode. And once you search for kilocode, you will see this one. Here you can see it is written over here kilocode. You need to select this one, and here you can see install option. So click on install. So this will install kilocode inside your Visual Studio Code. So once you install kilocode, at the top you will see this kilocode icon. So if we just click here, it will open the kilocode chat option over here. So here you can see kilocode chat option. So right now let's just go to the file, and we can just close this. So here you can see on the right side we have the kilocode chat option, and on the left side we have a empty folder over here. So inside kilocode we are going to give a prompt, and the prompt we'll give is that we want to make a similar website like this. So for it, I'm just going to copy this link, Ctrl C. Then I am going to paste the link over here. After that, here you can see code. Instead of code, we're going to choose the architect mode. So this is basically the plan mode. So here we're going to say here we want to build a similar website like the given link in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Make it as similar as possible and keep it in architect mode. And here you can see a model over here which is GLM 4.7. So the base model inside kilocode is Minimax M2.1, but I like the GLM 5. This is the best one for me. That's why I'll choose this version. You can also choose other version from here as well. The free version, you can use the free version completely free. There is no limit. Okay. So I'll choose this version, and I'm going to click here send message. So it will first make a plan for us. So here you can see it is asking us some questions. So I'm going to choose the first option, build a complete homepage clone of all section using placeholder content, fully responsive. So here you can see it made a implementation plan. Let me just show you over here. You can see this is the implementation plan. You can just read the plan if you want, but I'm just okay with the plan. I'll just close this. And here you can see yes, proceed with implementation, switch to code to start building. So I'm going to over here switch to the code option. Here you can see code. I'll switch to code mode. After that I'm going to say here, or I can just click here and it will start building our website. So it will first create the HTML file structure over here. So this will take some time. Right now I'll just fast forward the video until everything is complete. So here you can see it is done. So it created the CSS, then JS, and index.html over here you can see, and here you can see run the project. So I'm going to click here run. and it will open the project over here, and you can see the design is quite similar. It won't be actually 100%, but the design will be similar. And if you want to make it 100%, you can just give more prompt, then you can improve the website more. But I think this website is actually better than this website. This website actually looks way cool and way solid. So our design is complete. So right now what we are going to do is that we are going to create backend using Django. So right now what we are going to do is that let's go back to the Visual Studio Code and we'll go to our Kilo code. So now we're going to keep this prompt. Now create a Django project and apply this front-end design in the project. Do not make the admin panel yet. So let's just first create the Django project and then just apply the design, HTML design. Okay. So I'm just going to click here. So once we have all the design in the Django project, we can just delete those files from here because that design will be inside the Django project. So this prompt will actually take some time because it is going to create Django project and then add those design in the Django project. So it will ask for some permission for some prompt. So you need to give some permission like this. Here you can see I'm going to click here run. So it will now first create a Django project. So right now I'll just fast forward the video until everything is complete. So here you can see our project creation is complete. So right now here you can see it give us a link. So we're going to copy this. Then we'll go to our browser and we're going to paste it here. Then press enter. And there you can see we are able to see our website. And this is basically the Django project. It just applied this HTML CSS design over here, as you can see. So now we can just close this. And right now, obviously, this is just a static page. It is not dynamic. So we are going to give another prompt to create the admin panel. And from the admin panel, we'll be able to modify anything inside this. Okay. So let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. And here we're going to give another prompt. Now we're going to say, so right now we're going to give this prompt. Create a modern admin panel so that we can modify everything in the front end from the admin panel. Do not use Django default admin panel. And let's mention one more thing. For database, use SQLite. So let's give this prompt and I'm going to click here. So right now it will create database connection and it will design a modern admin panel for this project. So again, this will take some time. Right now, I'll just fast forward the video until admin panel creation is complete. So here you can see admin panel creation is done. So it is telling us to go to this address to go to the admin panel. So let me just copy this, Ctrl C. Then I'll just paste it over here, press enter. So here you can see there is a error. So what we are going to do is that we are going to say over here, we'll keep this link and we'll say when we go to this address, we get a error. And let me also just paste the error over here. Ctrl V, and I'm going to click here. So it will check the error and fix the error for us. So here you can see task is complete, and here it also give us admin username and password. And if didn't give you admin username and password, just give a prompt that create me a admin username and password and it will create for you. So the username is admin and password is admin123. So let's go back to our browser and let me just refresh here. There's one more error. I'll just copy and paste it here, press enter. So it's done. So let's go back to our browser and here I'm going to say /dashboard, then press enter. And there you can see we're able to see our admin login page. So here I'll give the username, which is admin, and the password was admin123. Then click here sign in. So let's go and update a article. Let me click here article, and here you can see we have this image. So I'm going to click here edit, and we have a upload option over here. So I'm going to click here and let me just upload this image, then click here open. And we can change the text if you want. Let's say here, let's just say this better brain for better focus. And I'm going to click here save articles. So it's done. So right now, let me just go back. This is the image. So let me just refresh. Okay, the image did not updated over here. So let me just go back to my VS Code, and over here I'm going to say make sure the front end is connected with the admin panel. Press enter. So here you can see it's done. So let's go back to our browser. So right now let's go and update this one. So I'm going to click here. So here you can see a title. Let's say here better brain for better focus, and we have some detail over here. I can just paste it multiple time. We have tags, and let me just update this image. So I'm going to choose this image, click here open, and view count. You can also add the view count. Okay, and let's check this one: feature article, trending article, and published. Let's click here save article, and it's done. Here you can see article updated successfully. Let me go to my website, and here you can see we have the image over here and the text, so we can update it. So I also actually try to update the category. There you can see also update the category. Let me just delete a article from here, nutrition, delete, and it's done. So if I just go down, here you can see explore topics, and here you can see it says yummy. So let me just add a new category. Let's say this category name will be test. It will be test as well. So I can upload a SVG icon over here, and we can also upload a image over here as well. Let me just try it. Let's say here image. Let's just try to upload a image from here. Let's say copy image address, paste it here. If I now click on save category, there you can see it is showing us the image. And if I now refresh over here, there you can see we are able to see the article over here. So we need to upload a SVG file to see it in the background over here. Here we need to give the SVG code, but that's fine. So we are basically able to update anything in this website from the admin panel. If you want to add more feature, you just need to give more prompt. Obviously, this is not a complete website. Here, not everything out. So you just need to go to your VS Code and tell your kilo code that add this feature in the website, and it will do it for you. So this is how you can clone a website like this really easily using AI, and it's completely free. If you follow me, you can do it for free. So I hope you like this video and you learn something new. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.